Victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Hail, monkey lord, the illuminator of the three worlds. Ram's emissary, the abode of matchless power. Anjani's son, named son of the Ood. Great hero, mighty as a thunderbolt. Yes. Who are you?
Quickly close the door. Otherwise, auntie will call the police. It's watching.
What do you want?
I want 11, 9, 19, 19 full night.
What do you mean by 11, 9, 19, 19?
Complete your prayer and come soon.
Hey, listen. Where are you going? Inside? Hail, monkey lord, the illuminator of the three worlds. Hey, monkey lords, the illuminator of the three worlds. Hello, who is this?
Hi buddy, now have fun with full forces. Wake up, you wild, crazy fantasy all night. Enjoy one nightstand honeymoon. We have sent you a sexy call girl in your bedroom. Especially for you only. Best of luck, my dear friend.
What the hell is this? I will not leave you all bastards.
Friend, you know that once you dive into the ocean of the sex, forever you will forget to swim into the holy Gangas. You will no longer be a virgin man from tomorrow. Approach her only after spraying a good quality perfume, otherwise she will faint with your body odor. Sila, kids around. Enjoy, buddy, enjoy. Sila.
Hello. Bastards, I will see you one by one later.
Panduram, come early and fulfill your wild fantasy now. I'm getting late.
How she called me like this and dared to inside my house? I will not leave her now. Oh Lord Hanumanji, give me a power to remove this witch from my house at once.
What happened, my Pandura? Will you just stare at me or take off your clothes and do something exciting now? Come, my hot potato. What happened, my Pandura?
You red hot witch, just shut your dirty mouth. Come on, get out of my house at once, else I will beat you beneath your ear. How dare you enter into my house? Get out of my house at once.
Leave me. I said just leave me. How dare you touch me like this? You priest of lust. You worship by drinking alcohol?
See?
Hey, you Panduram, listen. If I shout once and say help me, you will go straight to jail. Therefore, it is better that you cool down, my hot potato, Panduram. Conserve your extra power for bad pleasure. Otherwise, you will run away like a faulty battery at once. You understand? Or I make you better understand shutting down the light in the dark.
See, again I am telling you to leave my house right now. Otherwise,
What will you do? Tell me. Will you rape me? Will you hang me till death? Or will you perform my arti while singing Sila, Sila ki Jawani? Sila, Sila ki Jawani.
just stop this nonsense.
You
Shh. Please,
You
please
booked
keep
me
quiet.
via
Don't make
SMS
noise.
a day ago. You called me at night and now you are pretending like you are a virgin priest at home, applying sandalwood on your forehead. It seems that you are a disciple of fake Lord Ram Rahim or Asram Bapu.
Just wait for a second. What have you said right now? Did I text you?
No, your neighbor Sarita auntie has called me, stupid. Check your mobile, Panduram. Wait, let me show you. This number is your, right, Panduram?
From my mobile, where have you sent message?
Now you tell me, why have you called me here? To do worship. Tell me, Pandu.
Mind your language. My name is Ram Prasad, not Panduram, okay? Actually, my buddy's friend have played a dirty game by sending you a message through my mobile. Now you want money, you don't worry, that I will pay for you. But you please get out of here, okay?
I have already received money. Once I make a commitment, I never listen to myself also. Now as long as you don't satisfy me sexually till then, I will not go from. It could lead to some moments, some hours, some days, or even a years too. It's all depend on you only. This body knows only to love. If you don't do, then I will do with you, putting warm mustard oil all over your body.
What will you do with me? What will you do with me? What does this mean?
I am feeling too thirsty now. Fulfill my thirst, otherwise I will dig a well here. Think this, Panduram.
Okay, you will stay here. I am going out
Oh,
and I will come tomorrow.
I should do worship or kill mosquito here sitting alone right now. If you go out, then I will shout very loudly saying, help me,
Please
help
keep
me. Then you will can't blame me, okay?
Listen, thirsty witch, better you kill me now. Shall I bring a knife for it?
Anuram, let's get ready for naughty play. Don't be over smart now.
Wonderful idea to fool this clever woman now.
What happened, Panduram? Don't you have that extra pleasure item for all season hot rocket in pocket?
Of course I have, and it's kept hidden under my clothes.
Oh my god, this idiot is very clever from within. He can dominate me. Salu, have patience and should be extra bold now. Yes, Panduram, what is the status of your hidden gun? Is it in the working code, regular servicing with oil? Done or not? If not, then it might fail to fire. Let's do it now. You aware now? Action speak louder than words.
I have one condition.
Don't give excuses. What condition?
I will ask you a simple question and you will be confused. If you give me the right answer, I will be your slave and you can do whatever you want. I will abide you. If you answer incorrectly, you will leave from here immediately. Do you agree?
Panduram, just tell me one thing. Are you going to ask this question to your wife also? before you beginning your honeymoon? This is fine. But I also have a condition. If I win, you will do a naked dance in front of the people of your society, and that too without cheating. Do you agree?
Naked dance? That too in front of my society people? Are you mad? Do you want to kill me in front of my locality?
Okay, then I will do one thing. I am making that easier for you. If I win, you will become my slave for tonight. And I will ask you to do that you have to do. If you win, then I am your slave. And if you say to go, I will leave then. Now it's your choice.
Okay. I am ready for it.
What is the matter, Panduram? Seems you are too desperate to hold girl's hand, Panduram.
Leave me. No. Actually, I got excited.
Wow, really you got an excitement. Conserve your extra power for bad pleasure. Otherwise, you will run away like a faulty battery at once. What is this? What is the matter, Panduram? My God, from external you are so cool and you are hot and sexy from within. Shame on you. Hey, what are you doing?
Wow.
It's an important product tonight. It will be really awesome with this fire. Just like a surprise honeymoon on a Valentine Day. I will take away this. Is anyone watching me? Tonight, I can have a surprise honeymoon with my hubby.
Now quickly ask me question, Panduram. The fire within my body is getting cold.
One fine day, one beautiful girl goes to a market to buy purse, okay? And she asks the price to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper tells the price of purse at rupees 1200. But the girl refuses to give it to him. The girl says she has only 800 rupees and she will give only that. Shopkeeper refuses to sell at rupees 800. Then the girl tells him that if you don't sell it to me now, then you see today nobody will buy anything from you all day because I am your first customer in the morning. Thereafter, shopkeeper keeps thinking too much and finally he agreed to sell her at rupees 800. Then girl gives 2000 notes to the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper says he doesn't have change. Then shopkeeper go to the nearby shop and bring the change. After bringing change, he gives the purse and return remaining 1200 cash to the girl. And the girl leaves from there. After some time, the neighboring shopkeeper comes to him and says that this currency note is fake. Now return my original change currency. Now this shopkeeper returns rupees 2000 to the neighboring shopkeeper. Now you tell me the total loss of the shopkeeper here. Tell me. Well, if you want, I can give you the option also. Take options.
No, I don't want any option, okay?
I'm not even charging anything for this. It's free for you. Options are 1200, 1800, 2800 or 4000 rupees. Now you don't tell me to do 50-50 in it, okay?
Panduram, your options are also NG, like you are fine, means all wrong. Take it and count it. Whatever amount is here is the amount of loss. And how it is, I have written in this diary and you can read it later.
Son Ram Prasad, Now you hold your dhoti very tightly and use extra underwear too. Tonight she is going to take off my underwear. Whatever I do, she will not leave me. She will rape me. I'll do one thing. I will take off this dhoti and wear jeans. This will be fine.
Panduram, you can't get rid of with extra inner underwear and jeans too. Go and put on a hat. Then we will start our show inside the bathroom with a rain dance.
Rain dance? What kind of dance is it?
Don't worry, I'll teach you. Now, my turn.
Now I will ask you the question. Pass that glass. Panduram, this is an empty glass. Suppose there is a biological cell in it, which doubles every second, such as 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 8. And it takes 1 minute to fully fill this glass is needed. Now, how much time is required to make half of this glass?
30 seconds. Your game is over. Now your time is over. Now you get lost from here. Come on, get out and you please have your dirty money. Come on, get out now. Get out. Leap from here.
Listen, Panduram, your answer is wrong. Like you are NG. You think yourself very clever? 30 seconds is a wrong answer. Now you are gone. Now I will teach you a lesson that you will forget to wear this dhoti and underwear. You consider yourself very clever. Now I will punish you using oil. Tell me, what oil do you have? Mustard oil or coconut oil? Whichever you have, heat 100 grams slightly and bring now. And listen, come wearing only a towel. And if you come without clothes, it would be fine for me too.
What is your intention?
Intention will go to hell. You just bring some hot oil. Tonight, I am your queen and you are my slave. Come on, go now. I said go. Go, leave now.
Answer 30 seconds was wrong. Then what was the correct answer? Hey God Hanumanji, what is happening to me today? Please help me.
Panduram, I just told you to heat the oil a little bit. If it get too hot, then I will put it in your asshole and burn the fire. Understand? Come fast.
No, I'm coming.
What is this? Is it snowing outside?
Huh?
Why are you wearing this jeans and kurta? I told you to get in the towel. Do one thing now. You remove this pant.
How can I remove this pant? If I take off the pant, a hot rocket will come out of my pocket. How can I take off the pant? If I take off my pant, disaster will happen.
What kind of disaster?
Listen, Sila, I believe in myself, but I cannot believe the king cobra hidden under my jeans pant. Please, Sila, try to understand my inner hidden feelings. Please.
See, Panduram, barking dogs seldom bite. Are you trying to scare me by calling this nonsense? Yes, say. Say.
Smart boy.
Quit. Now you give me a body massage. Then I will see if you are really a tiger or a rat or a lizard. You wait. Just wait and watch. I'm coming. Panduram, let's you start now. What happened to you, Panduram?
Why are you sweating in AC room?
Do I have a thorn in my legs? Or 440 volts current is running in it? Now hurry up.
Or I will remove your pant.
Panduram, you would like to smoke cigarette? You can smoke once. Who has seen the peacock dancing in the jungle? Don't worry, I will not tell to anyone. Hi loose man, all night you will keep kneading the dough or you will do something else. Oh Panduram poor. My dear Pandu, you massage so well. Wow. Now take off your pants because temperature is warm now.
What?
What are you thinking now?
No, I am ashamed. If you close your eyes, I will take off my pants. Please close your eyes.
Your name should be Jhandu and not Pandu. Okay, I am closing my eyes. Done. Quickly remove. Hurry up. Fast. Where did this Panduram go? The door is locked from the inside, which means he is inside only. Panduram! Pandu, my darling, come outside. Where are you? Pandu, now wherever are you hidden? I will not leave you today.
Pandu.
Oh, what the hell is going on? Pandu, now wherever are you hidden? I will not leave you today. Oh no, sit. Where has this Panduram disappeared? Where night have gone? He has also kept the fridge switch off. By now, my beer would have chilled too. Pandu is also very stupid guy. He spoiled my whole mood. Where has this Pandu disappeared in the stop block? Door is also closed from inside. Where could he go? My brain is not working. Salu, what if was he ghost or evil spirit? How can someone be invisible like this? What nonsense is this? How to find this invisible Panduram? Mind goes crazy. Hello, police station? Hello? Network problem here. Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Police constable? Can you hear me now? Please help me, sir. Give this phone to Inspector Patil now. I want to file a sexual harassment complaint.
Sir, a cheater has imprisoned me and he is raping me inside his house. Please rescue me from here.
Here, please help, sir. Please help immediately.
Help me too.
Panduram, what is this? You are a useless, stupid guy. I came here to warm you up and you are hidden inside the fridge. Hey fool, tell me, will you
S-E-X.
What does a monkey know about the taste of ginger? You are a number one idiot. Wait, I will boil water for you or else you will die.
One cigarette, there is a big fire in the liver. Panduram, do you know that the butcher bathed him in this way before killing a goat? Now you clean your dirty things yourself and quickly come to the bed. I'm waiting there, okay? Come on, you have had a lot of fun fooling yourself. Remove this sacred thread and get my beer and whiskey out of the fridge. I have kept a little cold drink for you too. Bring it too.
What?
Get up now. Get up.
Sheila, life is too risky with whiskey. What you say?
Wow, Pandu, seems you are a poet too. You are really a dark horse. Okay?
What is this, Panduram? So much, so that even if I take it without water, I will fall here. Add some beer to it.
Beer? I have already drunk that inside the fridge. And now I have also urinated. It's gone. The real dirty game will begin now.
What do you mean, Panduram?
Nothing. Sheila, you just take this drink. Let's have a drink together. Cheers. Sheila, you know about a real man? His true character and true nature is completely visible only in the dark room.
What do you mean, Panduram?
Means tonight I will definitely do. Today you will come to know which tiger or lion you have encountered, okay? Come on. You drink light alcohol and I drink hard by adding this Silajit in it, okay?
What is this, Panduram?
This is local Viagra.
Okay, Panduram, now you dance. Monkey type, okay? Come on, start. Come on, do it.
You want to see dance? I will show you.
Yes.
What's in it? We will dance. We will do strip dance, okay?
No, Pandu. That's Salman Khan dance.
Salman bro dance. Okay, I will do that. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless days. Once you go young, you don't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless again. Once you go young, you don't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless days. Once you go young, you won't come again. Once you go young, you won't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless days. Once you go young, you don't come again. Only 4 days to live, rest are useless again. What you say?
Yes. Panduram, now we will do something else.
No. Now the real sex game will start. Now our sex night will start. Okay? I will bring out rocket from my pocket and make you sit there and I will show you full moon night. Okay? Now you tell me which way you prefer. In your hand or in mouth.
What nonsense is this? Don't you feel ashamed to say like this?
This is not nonsense. I am talking about sacrament only. You forgot to eat prasad. Have it, okay? Now I am going to warm oil. Till then you take off your clothes. Please remove it, okay? Otherwise I will remove it, okay? Let me come and we will start our program. I am coming.
I have come here just to do praying, but it seems now Panduram is really going to do my game over here. Drunken Panduram become a last ridden guy. Now what shall I do?
Whether it is Sunday or Monday, eat eggs regularly. Add Silajit in milk and use rhino oil. Sheila. Oh naughty girl. Oh honeybee, where did you go? Hey naughty girl. Where are you disappeared now? Look, the oil is hot. The hammer is also hot too. Come first. Then do not say again the oil has cooled down. Has she come? Pussycat. Pussycat. Meow. Where have you gone to? Come out. If oil get cooled, then don't tell me, okay? Where did you go? Are you hiding inside freeze like me? She is not here too. Where did you go? She was roaming like a big lion. Now do not know where she is hidden in the hole like a mouse. You don't know how much danger I am. I am very danger guy, okay? I will kick once and the door break. Now I will break the door. Come out.
Hey Panduram, don't do overacting. Door is closed from inside.
I know. Hey, who said this? Where are you hiding? Come out. Come out. She. If you don't come out in my 3 counts, I will go out and shout thief, thief, thief. 1. 1. 2. Not like this. Thus 2 and 3. Sheila? Sheila, wake up now. Sheila?
What is this? I had a rolling pin in my hand. How this brinjal come?
This is so weird, Sheila. I drank hard drinks, but I think you were drunk. Well, those things later. First you eat this Maggie. Otherwise it will be cold like that oil. Take this. First eat this Maggie.
Panduram, are you alright?
Yes, of course. Well, you are not as bad as I thought, okay? Yes, Sila, you did not answer that question. 30 seconds, I know was wrong, but what was the correct answer?
59 seconds.
How that?
Because in the next second the glass becomes full.
Oh yes.
By the way, tell me one thing, Panduram.
Yes.
What's in your pocket?
Here is a rocket. Would you like to sit? Sure. This time I will definitely have the tour of full moon.
Hey, wait. Do you have more magazines like this? And that packet? That was awesome. Enjoyed it very much. Uncle was saying that he didn't get it at the medical store here. Have you ordered from foreign?
Shame on you, auntie. I'm just like your son only.
Leave it. One who feels ashamed, his destiny gets nothing. If you have that, please give me.
Oh God, what the hell is this?
Dear Panduram, neither I am Sila nor I came to get intimate with you. I just came to test your virginity. I mean shooting a prank video on you, and I was sent by your ex friends.
Oh God, Bajrang Bali. What the fuck I did drinking alcohol last night? It is good that no one has seen this video. Otherwise my condition would have deteriorated. I have to delete it now.
They wanted me to upload this video on YouTube and go viral. But you please believe me that I have not done anything that spoils your reputation and character. Yes, I shot a video of you while you were dancing with your shirt like Salman Khan in the towel. And I immediately deleted the video after forwarding to you. I promise, Panduram. Forgive me if I have made a mistake using rhino oil. Your pussycat. Meow.
Victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Hail monkey lord, the illuminator of the three worlds. Ram's ashes, the abode of matchless power. Anjani's son named son of the wind.
Listen, just give me that packet. I will give you double the price. Don't be afraid. I will not tell anyone. Give me quickly.
Oh my god. She is really irritating me. Victory to Hanuman, the ocean of wisdom and virtue. Hail Monkey Lord, the illuminator of the three worlds. Ram's ashes, the abode of matchless power. Anjani's son, named Son of the Wind. Great hero, mighty as
Listen, if you don't want to give the packet, it's okay. Give me that magazine at least.
she is really irritating me.
Listen, get it ready. I will come again. Don't be shy, okay? Now I am going.